The Olympics are on. They're in Paris this year, and I thought it'd be so much fun to draw stick figures doing different sports as they are in the Olympics. So let's practice. I'm going to be using a crayon brush. I'll link it in the description below. I'm going to be using Procreate with my iPad and my Apple Pencil. Grab a piece of paper if you don't have a tablet or your phone, anything you can draw with, have some fun. I'll be using a crayon brush, black marker, whatever's easiest for you. Let's get started. So I thought, let's draw a stickman or stickwoman drawing playing soccer. So first start with the head. With stick figures, let's have the head a little bit floating. Draw a box, but with a curve, like with an angled bottom, like so. Color that in. Give it a space. One leg is short. You can imagine he's about to kick it. And this leg will be long. Get a soccer ball off to the side. We can draw an arm out because they're running. And the other arm, let's draw it curved, pointing down. Stickman, stickwoman, playing soccer. Let's draw another one. How about volleyball or basketball? Circle for the head. Let's draw this person on an angle. So draw the box for the body. Rectangle, box. Just a little bit, I guess it'd be a rectangle. Also on an angle. One arm. Smaller circle for the ball. This arm will be straight out. And same idea as the soccer. One knee is bent, one leg is bent, and one leg is straight out. And there you go. We got two stick figures. Just gonna move this over and make it a little bit smaller even. There we go. We got two stick figures. Let's keep going. What about some gymnastics? These will be the legs. They're doing the splits. The rectangle body. A head. Get a circle. And then let's put the arms up above. So you're almost drawing like a diamond, connecting these arms. Beautiful. You want the arm thickness and the leg thickness to be the same for our stick person. Beautiful. Make that a little bit smaller. Put it in the corner. What about lifting weights? So we need two legs, rectangle, head. So let's start off with the head here. The rectangle for the body. The body will be standing. So I have a little bit of a space between the body and the legs, the head and the body, but you can connect them. They'll also work. For example, here, let's just connect these two. And then arms up, because we're holding the weights. Now let's draw the weight. The weight bar. Make sure you connect the hands. They're holding it. And then two thick lines. Those could be the weights. This is why I chose to use a crown, because it's thicker and fills up space faster. Beautiful. Let's do another gymnastic pose, standing person, but with the rings. The head, rectangle body, two legs, arms up, and then two circles, with the string. Beautiful. I'm just gonna grab a new page. What else can we do? There's also swimming. So let's draw someone swimming. So if they're swimming, we can't see their legs, so just be half of their body. So let's start off with the head. Our stick person will be swimming this way. So we want them on an angle. So we got a box, because half the box would be underwater, right? Their body. And then let's draw an arm going up and back. And the other arm straight out. And to make it clear that they're in the water, let's draw some waves. You know, this is a stick person swimming. Nice. What about a stick person on a bicycle? So let's start off with the head. On an angle, just like our swimming person. The rectangular body. Their arms were forward, holding the bike handles. And then the legs are kind of bent. It's almost like the person is sitting. And just to keep it very simple, let's just draw the circles first for the bike. Another circle behind. Oh, I should gotta move this over. Oh no, I should definitely move this over. And give myself enough space for the back circle. There we go. And then we can draw a line. Or you can leave it without the line. And then you know, it's a bicycle. Stick person on a bicycle. Perfect. Move that over here. We can do water polo in the water. We already did water swimming. How about we're playing a game? So we got the head. And now one arm up. Like so. Small ball. And one arm out. Because they're trying to hit that ball. And of course, some waves. So that is clear. This person is in the water. One, two, three. Let's draw two stick people. Maybe this could be like the basketball scene, where they both jump to grab the same ball. Let's start off with the ball. Ball will be here in the middle. We need 1, 2. Let's draw a head over here. An arm, so a rectangle would be here, and a little bit angled. One hand, or arm I should say. The other one can be out, bending down for example, because he's reaching. And now we need, just like we did with the soccer player, because they're jumping, you kind of can just see the one leg bent because the other one would be behind. So technically we wouldn't see it. Now the other person, same idea. It may be a different type of pose or the same pose even. Arm angled square. And the one side is a little bit longer because they're reaching up. The one side of their body is higher. Their head. And then let's have this arm just going out and up a bit, just so it's different from this stick person. And now for the legs, we can have them jumping as well. And if you'd like, you can add another leg right there. Beautiful. They're both jumping for the basketball. Let's do a few more. This is great practice. How to draw stick people, and then we can make a fun art craft out of it as well. What about sailing? Got a person or a rectangle for the body. The legs. Oops, forgot to add my space. And both arms will be holding the sail. Let's draw a big angled triangle. And some water. So we know that person's on water. Let's do gymnastic dance. Circle. Whoops. For the head. I will do the rectangle body. Arms up. Slight bend to the arm. And I want that ribbon that they dance with. Their routines. Nice how they have a ribbon. So maybe I'll draw the arm out this way. And we can forget the leg. Usually one is down. And the other one, maybe she's doing a kick. Beautiful. Or maybe you can have both arms going up. That also works. We have also archery. Swing it ahead. Rectangle body. For the bow, those bows are pretty big. About a line like so. We get an arm holding it. Usually their other arm is bent back, like a V. So we can do that. And they're standing. So 2 legs. Nice. Move that guy over a little bit. What else should we do? We had swimming sports, gymnastic sports. There's so many. The options are endless. Let's do one in like a kayak. Let's start off with the kayak. So we need a head. We'll do just a square instead of a rectangle because we're sitting usually in that kayak or boat. Just I'm gonna curve it ever so slightly. Different boat. My simple boat. Draw some water so we know we're in the water. And 2 arms. One arm, they're usually holding some sort of paddle. Nice. The paddle goes all the way into the water. There you go. Beautiful. Let's draw a few more before we finish off our lesson in the stick figures. What are we thinking? How about let's continue with table tennis. Anybody play table tennis? Let's draw the tennis table first. So we got the top, and the 2 legs. Now we need a person with a paddle. So let's have the person like jumping for that ball. We got the head. Angles on a body. The body's on an angle, I should say. Like so. We got their arm out. And they're holding a paddle. So we're gonna draw. It's a very big paddle. You can draw yours smaller. And then the other arm might be out this way. Because they're leaning into that. Beautiful. And maybe we won't add legs because if we add legs, it might get a little bit confusing between the table legs and the person's legs. So we can leave it. That's why maybe don't draw on the legs. Then it looks more clear, more simple. Shrink that a little bit. And how could I forget volleyball? So, circle for the head, body, and let's draw the body doing a bump. So I'm drawing the rectangle on an angle, right? We have 1 leg in front, because they're leaning in, 1 leg in the back, and then we need our arms out front because they're both out front. Since we're doing the bump, you only see the one, so it's 1 line, and then the ball coming down. Maybe I'll make the head a little bit bigger and the ball stays a little bit smaller. Nice. We got volleyball. So we've drawn a bunch of different stick figures. Quick and easy video, lots of different sports. If you want to see how to draw different figures, stick figures, let me know in the comments. We can always make another video with more stick figures. But this has been great practice. For our next video, we will add a dynamic background with our stick figures. So see you in the next video. Send this to someone else so they can practice as well. And be ready for our next video with lots of fun colors. We'll use crayons again, and I'll see you soon.